isa sa dahilan kung bakit tayo nagtitipon sa araw na ito ay dahil sa pag-iibigan ng ating minamahal na kapatid na si Jimwell at si Rachel May.
Hi, baby. The day I met you, I never imagined that one day I will be walking down the aisle toward you. But as I got to know you, I realized that you are the person I want by my side for the rest of my life.
Today, standing here in front of our family and friends, I promise to love you always, support you, and stand by your side.
I know our journey won't always be easy, but I promise to choose you every day, to love you, to support you, and stand by you through every season of my life.
I vow to choose every single day, not only during the happy moments, but also during the difficult ones.
Rachel May, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang bibig si Jimwell na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Jimwell, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang bibig si Rachel May na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Jimwell at Rachel May, dalawang bagay ang inyong patuloy na patutunayan sa Diyos at sa isa't isa. Put God at the center of your relationship, and secondly, remain faithful to one another.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa simpleng tease ni na Boss Tam at Ma'am Karin. Nagkita tayo sa isang birthday party at honestly, parang wala lang sa akin noon. Ang bata mo kasing tingnan, akala ko fresh graduate ka pa.
Kami lang yung dalawang single dun sa group. So, binubuyo kami. Tapos, pero that day naman, hindi naman kami interested sa isa't isa.
Siguro na rin dahil pareho tayong busy sa work at focus sa pamilya natin.
Parang ilang months pa bago kami nagkausap ulit. Tapos doon tuloy-tuloy na.
But as the days, weeks, and months went by, unti-unti kitang nakilala. Hanggang sa hindi natin namalayan, unti-unti na rin tayong nahulog sa isa't isa.
Maalaga siya. Hindi siya
For you,
hindi siya katulad ng iba na pinapabayaan. Basta kaya niyang gagawin niya.
I appreciate all the things you do for me, especially the way that you take care of me before I go to work.
For the first time I can finally see that every path
Rachel May,
Jimwell, kailanman
hindi kita pagtataksilan.
suisot mo at pakaingatan. Ang singsing na ito
Na siyang tanda
na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapagan.
sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak,
ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
I jump back into every memory. Do it all again together, you and me. There's no
Today, I give you my heart, my trust, and my promise to walk this journey with you.
I promise to do my best, provide for our family, and to be your partner through every challenge and every blessing that comes our way.
straight to
In every version of this world, I will still find you. I will still fall in love with you. And I will still choose you.
Hand in hand for the rest of our lives. I love you, my other half, Rachel.
I love you, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you as my wife. Love, Jimwell.
our love will grow. Every high and every low has led me straight to
Inyo na pong igawad ang inyong unang halik bilang mag-asawa. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasama.